Sure, I'm Neil Trickett.
I'm Amy Trickett. We own Practice Promotions, a marketing agency for physical therapy private practices.
So how has our agency changed since working with Seven Figure Agency? Well, I think that for me, we've definitely got some great ideas, some great strategy. Our team has been very thankful to get into a lot of the specifics of the different areas like SEO, web development. It's given them a resource to be able to work with like-minded agencies and find out what best practices are from them. And then they've been able to incorporate some of those ideas into our processes in our agency. So running the agency before joining, been working a lot with other solutions to work on processes for our teams, processes for how we're selling our services. And I think now that our team has a bit more insight into what works in other agencies, whereas before it was a little difficult in our particular niche in digital marketing to get resources that were specific to them. So general company growth, there's a lot of great advice and tips out there, but there wasn't as much specific to this particular area or this particular industry.
I think it was really eye-opening to hear after joining Seven Figure Agency about the profit margins that other marketing agencies were seeing. I think that really helped us to have some reality on where we could or should be in our own company.
So yeah, I joined in March of 2024, and at that event, there was a great speaker on finances and profitability, and also speaking with other agency owners at a big realization in terms of where we needed to be in our price point for our clients and where we needed to be with our profitability. So that's been very instrumental in us formulating the prices that we need to be at and working with our different financial documents so that going into 25, we're going to be in a much more profitable place in our agency. So where we see our business in the next 6 to 12 months is really having much more stability, opportunities for growth, and definitely much more profitability. And so we're very excited for all the groundwork that we've been laying here this year, how that's going to pan out for next year. I think what I really find most valuable about the Seven Figure Agency is networking. There's some great speakers that are here. Those are very useful, very powerful. But it's really the networking and seeing what other agency owners are doing and learning from them. We were at a great event in Dallas recently, and just to be able to brainstorm with other agency owners. We all have very similar situations or things that we come up against, and being able to see how someone else has approached it, it's refreshing to see those ideas and be able to utilize them for what we can do to grow our company.
I think Seven Figure Agency being specific to marketing agencies has been very helpful because it's other businesses in our exact industry. Whereas if we've been in other business training or executive training, it could be something totally unrelated to marketing. And here at Seven Figure, the other agencies are dealing with similar problems. They have solutions to things that we're running into. So it really helps share ideas that are easily implementable into our business.
So if you're thinking about joining Seven Figure Agency, I'd highly encourage you to look into that because it's and decide upon it, because I think you can't go at it alone. And what's really important is to be connected to groups where you can learn from peers, where you can learn from experts. And that's really the only way to level your own business up and solve a lot of your problems in your business, is to be part of a group that can push you forward.
I think someone who's on the fence about joining Seven Figure should give it a try, and just spending time with people who are managing businesses in your same industry can give you so much information and insight. Having a community to be part of, so you don't feel like you're on an island by yourself. There's so many resources and so much information shared that you'll learn things that you didn't even know you didn't know.